Hello guys, welcome to another video. I went to the park with my dad, my grandma, and my sister, and we were feeding the birds, and we found a domestic bird. It came from the tree, and it looks really nice.
Looks like someone left it here.
It looks like somebody must have left it here because it looks like a domestic bird.
It is very cute.
It looks really nice. It's a shade of green and yellow, and the tail is blue. There are also some pigeons here and other birds.
Make sure you go more than 5 minutes.
They look nice. They're eating the seeds. Don't they look nice?
Very often to feed the birds this way.
The thing is that I come here very often with my dad and my sister to feed the birds. And there's so many.
Watch this video, make sure you subscribe to my videos.
Eh. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe and like for more videos, and we'll be back later. Bye guys.
Lo vas a asustar, ya no le quieres dejar